Welcome to the Learning Express PrepSTEP tutorial. This database, provided by your Delaware Tech libraries, can be used to prepare for career exams, including TEAS, dental hygiene, and real estate. It also has modules to help strengthen academic and organizational skills. To get to Learning Express, you will go to the library section of your Student Success Toolbox in My DTCC. The first time you use Learning Express, you will need to register. On the registration page, you only need to enter your name, email, and create a password. You do not need to include student or course numbers. Your email address will be your login ID in the future. Once you're in, math and science help is available. You can use Learning Express to brush up on grammar and writing skills. You can learn about student success skills to help keep you organized and ready for college life. There's a section to help prepare for college placement tests. Even if you're beyond taking the SAT and ACT tests, this section has information on college and trade scholarships. The High School Equivalency Center is a great resource for anyone preparing to take the GED test. You can use the search bar to search for any specific test or module that is of interest to you. And as you can see, full practice tests are available for many of the tests required for allied health majors. You can also browse links to explore careers or brush up on your computer skills. Many of the resources available in Learning Express are also available in the Spanish language resources. As always, if you have any questions, please stop in and talk to your campus librarian, or find us online through Ask a Librarian, or check out one of our online research guides available in your Student Success Toolbox.